So welcome once again, and part of setting up of this application Pixellab is having font. I've explained what font is to you, but you need to have a font apart from the one that comes with the app itself. You need to have your own font, and as a graphic designer, your font is one of the key things that defines your graphics. So if I download any font or a font folder, how will I install it? How will I put it on on my Pixellab? How will I be able to use it? Now let's say this is a text and I've downloaded the font just like the one I sent to you and you have downloaded. The next thing I need to do is once you have installed a font, you have put it once and for all, except to delete it, is to, once you click on the text, is to go to the text button, which is A here. As you can see that the cursor is on. Mostly when you click on it, it will show you several tools. So show you several tools. Then you go to font. So in the font, you now click on my font. When you click on my font, although I already installed this, but I will just show you how you can add font. So what you need to do is to click on the plus button, either the one for the T is to add just one font, while the other one is to add any font that is inside a particular folder. So ensure that all your fonts are in one folder. Then you click on the one with the folder and pick the folder with the font. So you pick the folder that has the font, all the fonts. For example, when I pick the folder, there's nothing here, but assuming there is font here now, then I click on add directly. Automatically you get your fonts that you can use, and you can pick from them to use, to change, to use. And one of the ways of making good logo is having font, especially if you are doing text logo. And this app is good for doing text logo. You can use it for other kind of logo, but it's very good for doing text logo. So this is it. Let me just do a little bit further. Let me just go a little bit further. You can, under that same text, you can apply several effects to it, 3D effects and the rest to it. For example, this is emboss. You can just set several options that suits you. This is emboss. You can give it shadow, you can give it anything, although I'm still going to explain more. This is just setting up of your app. So thank you very much. God bless you.